Ever turn on Do Not Disturb and wonder why your videos and music suddenly went silent? Let's fix that by managing media sound in Do Not Disturb mode. The Do Not Disturb feature helps you stay focused or rest without interruption, but sometimes you still want to play videos or music while keeping calls and notifications silent. So here's how to control that easily. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon, scroll down the screen, tap Notification, tap Do Not Disturb, tap Alarms and Sound. Now, enable or disable media sound. When this option is enabled, your phone will allow media sound to be played during Do Not Disturb, while when this option is disabled, all media sounds will be mute while Do Not Disturb is on. As the example, if you want a quiet phone but still enjoy your favorite playlist or YouTube video, you can set to enable media sound under Do Not Disturb. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.